Looking to invest smarter in 2025? Let's break down the top 5 stock trading platforms that are dominating the game right now. First, TD Ameritrade with thinkorswim. Hands down the best for active traders. Advanced charting, options analytics, real-time data. It's made for serious market moves. No gimmicks, just pro-level tools. Next, Fidelity Investments. Rock solid for long-term investors. Zero commission trading, outstanding research, and retirement tools built in. If you're playing the long game, Fidelity's a no-brainer. Third, Robinhood. Still the easiest to use. Clean interface. Instant deposits. Great for beginners. But just remember, simplicity has its trade-offs. Number 4, Webull. A step up from Robinhood. More data. More charts. Still commission-free. Perfect if you've outgrown the basics but aren't ready for full-blown pro tools. And finally, interactive brokers. Low fees, massive global reach. It supports advanced trading strategies and over 150 markets. If you're going international or institutional, this is your platform. Bottom line, whether you're a beginner, a day trader, or building wealth for the long haul, there's a platform here that fits your strategy in 2025.